Start.
Can I have the attention of the workshop, please? Today's a very special day. We're celebrating my new friend Angel's 5th birthday. We would like to celebrate by singing her happy birthday on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I'm gonna go there.
Happy